The challenge we are having with the National Treasury and the Ministry of Health is that there is a mismatch between the mode of financing and the kind of contract they want us to give to those UHC workers. They want us to absorb the UHC workers as permanent and pensionable in counties, but they have only provided the money for 1 year under what is called County Government Additional Allocation Act, which act has not even yet been assented to. So all we're saying is let's not politic about this matter. We actually believe that some of these things are being instigated by people at the Ministry of Health. The PS for medical services and the, purportedly wrote to the PS for public service instructing counties to absorb those UHC workers under permanent and pensionable. These people don't even read the Constitution of Kenya. A PS has no powers to instruct the governors.